Hi, good boy. Hi. You gonna let me take a seat? Oh, you're getting heavy. Either that or I'm getting weak. Hi guys, I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today is gonna be an extremely amazing day because yesterday I went to Dillard's, did a little recon, trying to scope out what I wanted to get, and I saw this Kate Spade bag that I was just dying for. Just the look alone. I haven't opened it, I haven't played with it, I haven't done anything. I don't even know what it's called. All right, buddy, get down. You're starting to lick. And it's just going to be a fun unboxing. And so let's get right into it. This is our Dillard's bag. It's a bag inside of a bag inside of a bag. All right. Here we have this beautiful dust bag. I think Kate Spade has one of the prettiest dust bags on the market. And Louis Vuitton, I think, needs to update their dust bags for just to modernize it a little. Now, I know that that's playing with fire because I don't want them to modernize their product. So let's get into this bag. All right. Open it up. And ta-da! Isn't that the prettiest thing you've ever seen? It has this lock with the Kate Spade signature spade. It's got these polka dots. It reminds me of something like Minnie would be wearing as she ran around. It is absolutely beautiful. Let me see here if there is a name. It's called Black Multi, some code, Remedy Bikini Dot small top handle. Okay. That's a mouthful. Remedy Bikini Dot small top handle. Now, the reason why I fell in love with this is because I'm kind of getting tired of over the shoulders. They're played out this summer. Everybody's doing it. And I love just a little bag, just a cute little date night or cocktail party or just what have you. I mean, this isn't a useful purse, but God, is it beautiful. I could eat it up. The only thing that would make it nicer is if it was in like soft calf leather. That would really just, it's a little dusty. I guess it's been on the shelf there for a while. Okay. Oh, got it. All right. So, let's see. Here on the bottom, it's got some feet. So when you set it down, you're not muddying it up. It's got this little handle with some beautiful hardware. Oh, and that's hard. Okay. So that's a hard surface up there at the top. The handle doesn't really go down, but I don't know why you'd want it down. I mean, this is how it is. Let's see, the lock on the back even says Kate Spade, New York. Okay, the lock does not open it. It doesn't appear to be magnetic. Maybe if I pull, oh, here we go. I figured it out. Okay. So you turn that down and then it looks like it just opens up right here. And then there's a little strap right here, so I'm guessing you just let's do that again. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, look at this bag now. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Oh, But of course, there is... Okay, I don't hate crossbodies. I really don't. I've just reviewed far too many crossbodies this summer. It's just all crossbodies. I don't know why they think we want crossbodies. Everything has to be crossbody. I don't know what that's about. And I don't know where you'd clip this on. Let's see. You know what? Let's just get rid of this. Cut my tongue a little. Okay, I will get back to the crossbody because, like I said, I did cut my tongue a little. I don't hate them. I love this. I love this just as it is. It doesn't need to be a crossbody. Let's see. Okay, we've got quite a bit of filler in here. No, we don't need that. We don't need that. This I will not throw on the ground. These are silica gel packets. They're harmful if you eat them. They won't kill you. It will highly dehydrate you, though. And I don't need my dog getting to that. So let me put that up and out of the way. Oh, there's another one and some more fluff. Okay, you can play with the fluff. Not silica gel. Okay, so now that I've gotten everything out, I'm wondering, like, does it do that? So let's find out. Let's close it. Oh, sorry, off screen. Let's get it closed. And let's see how this works again. Okay. And then just under its own weight. And I know things will be in it, but like not a lot. And it won't be form-fitting. So, under its own weight, it stays. Now, not a good example of how it does collapse. But it's this, I want to call this a canvas with a texture. I'll put it up in the light here so you can see that texture. It's very soft though. I always do the scratch test because I think your ears can pick up what kind of material that is just by listening to it. It's kind of like nowadays, you know when someone dropped their cell phone. It makes a very distinctive clatter sound. And it's like everybody goes silent. Oh, is it cracked? Is it broken? And 20 years ago, you could have heard that sound and you wouldn't even have flinched or looked or had empathy or anything. It just, so, sorry, I go off on tangents, but the sound, it's very nice. It's very beautiful. It is very collapsible though. We are not a fan of that. We are not a fan of that at all. I'm not smacking it. I'm trying to get it taut. Okay, so there's it taut. If you just set it, no, that's a no-go. Oh, it was so beautiful, but that, for me, that's a no-go. Because you would have to either repack it with the packing, and if you wanted to, I mean, no big deal, but fail. Sorry, Kate. You had me until you went flaccid, and this is unacceptable. I mean, up here, like I showed earlier, it's got this hard body. That hard body should have been carried down into the sides. For the first time ever, I'm going to return a product that I reviewed. This doesn't need to be on my shelf. I'm not going to fake fill it. I mean, with you can't see it, it's out of the picture, but like with a giant Louis Vuitton duffel bag, like of course you got to fake fill it, but this was supposed to be something different. If you're agreeing with me, if you're not, let me know down in the comments. Let me know the benefits of it collapsing. And I mean, barely touching it. No. Okay. So, enough of the negative. Let's check out this shoulder strap, which I'm not going to take all the plastic off now because this is definitely getting returned. But it looks like you would clip it on there. Would I want it that way? Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. And then, whoop, we're going to clip it on. I'm going to go crisscross applesauce, so it gives it a little bit of flavor. Anytime you can jazz it up, I guess. It right now, to answer anybody's question, is on the medium setting. That might be hard to see because, like I said, I left it in its plastic wrap. But we've got 2 holes here where it's at, middle, and then 2 more holes. Usually, a crossbody, you're going to be sitting at average 20.5 inches. Usually they'll go from like 20 to 21. So, like I said, this is a complete surprise for me. I didn't do any research. I didn't do I didn't even know the name of it. I loved it, and I still love it. I love it so much. I love it, I love it, I love it, but its character defect is unacceptable. Okay, let's model this real quick. Okay, so it's sitting a lot higher than when I normally wear a crossbody on my side. Usually I'm a whole hand's length lower. So I'm going to just guess that this goes from, we'll say 18 to 20. Maybe 21 at its max. But hand's length, yeah, that's about 4 inches. Well, 4 inches. It's somewhere in there. You're going to have to look it up because this was a surprise unboxing. Now, carrying it on your side, it doesn't collapse. I mean, you could, yeah, I mean, well, if you sat down, oh, I can't go on. I'm sorry, guys. I can't go on. This is just too much. Like, you want it to be tall and proud. And I sit down and it immediately just scrunches into this very disheartening shape. Walking around with it though, like, oh my god, yeah, so cute. So cute. And if you could layer whatever you have in it and brace these sides somehow with cardboard, that's what I would do. Actually, if I were going to keep this, which I'm not, I would build a cardboard base. Kind of seems cheesy, but who looks in your purse? Oh, speaking of which, I don't think I showed you the inside. We'll do that real quick, and then we're going to wrap up this review, because in my opinion, this was a fail. One of my first. Okay, so the inside is the opposite of the outside, but with smaller dots. Very pretty. I love this bag so much. I'm so disappointed. And there is no reason that they couldn't have put, I mean, down here there's a cardboard base, at least what feels like cardboard. Hopefully it's not just cardboard, but why couldn't they have carried that around and put it up on the sides this high? That's all we needed. I'm not going to take out all the care cards and stuff, but there's 3 card slots in there. Yep, 3 card slots. They're average card slots. This inside, you hear that? That's like it's not silk, but it's like a knockoff wannabe silk. Very, very pretty. It's even got another little spade down on the inside. But as far as this one goes, it doesn't. Because, I mean, I'll lift my leg. Here I was trying to close the bag, and it just, I mean, that's an embarrassment. I'm Travis. Thanks for hanging out with me in my closet. Please, here, subscribe, and check out another video. This is one of my first big disappointments. It's also one of my first, sorry, I've got a piece of lint on me and it's driving me nuts. You know what? I love you guys. Thanks for all your support. Comments, likes, and subscribes. I love them. All right, bye.